IKEA home furnishing.
How much?
Checklist. They trying to run it up. Yeah, no, look at the cafe over there. Got the good eats section. Let's make it pop. Oh, those are hangers. Oh, they're creative or whatever. Oh, I'm swaggy and all that. It's the fit for the day though. All right, y'all. Hey, you. Yeah, you. You ready? All right, y'all. So we made it out of Maggiano's and we made it to IKEA. So I'm going to be showing y'all the inside of IKEA. It's super big. I think this is one of the biggest IKEAs we have over here. I really don't know, but I might have just lied, but that's okay. You feel me? Because that's what I think. I think it's that. So I'm going to show you guys once we get in the inside. But yeah, Maggiano's was fire. I'm fuller than full. We got some good information. And we got some stuff for that grab party that you guys know you guys were invited to. So I'll see you guys inside of IKEA. IKEA home furniture. We got Madre and Will. We got all the Tessies in the Woody. There's like a million Teslas out here. That Tesla's fire. Hold on, I think I'm right by the EV. That Tesla's fire. I need that color on my car, baby. But yeah, we going inside IKEA. I don't know what to expect. What's your
How much?
checklist? They're trying to run it up. They got a little kids playground right there. Make some.
So little.
Right here, pencil too. Here, Madre, you want a pencil? They're all lovebirds. This is how big IKEA is, guys. We are at the entrance. All the way up there. We're up. Got the pink in the cut. $14.49 nightstand. I need to go to IKEA more, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, well, we should have got one of those. One of those yellow things. Look, turn around, Mom. Oh, probably one of these, but that one's like a. Oh, look, Mom. Spray bottles, hand sanitizer bottles. Okay, this is used to dish brush raining. Oh, well, they thought I was gonna go back down the stairs to go get that. No, look at the cafe over there. Got the good eats.
Get the basket or just hold?
Just gonna come to this section. Let's make it pop. Oh, those are hangers. Oh, they're creative or whatever. Oh, and they got Tupperware. Some ideas worth trying. Gift fair? Actually, I don't want that. Is this soup? Macaron. Lemon and dill sauce. They got any and everything up in here. Like what? IKEA Chronicles of 9. God, they got stuffed animals over here. Oh, look at Cash, Mom. In her hand. Mom. Cash. Look, Mom. What? That's OD. A snake is crazy. We have those in our house, Mom.
I know, that's why I wanted to get them.
A poop store?
Yeah.
How much are they? Oh, 400. No, 48. This kidding, it's not 48. Actually, wait. First essential. Look at the big shorts. They have train stations. A little fake kitchen. They got little toys. IKEA guys. Oh, IKEA guys, what? I'm keeping that in there. Guys, IKEA does not miss. You want to make sure that you understand what this stuff is supposed to be used for. Oh, I'm swaggy and all that. It's the fit for the day. This fly bar. It's kind of quiet over here. The bed's going. Them look like them good pillows.
Shower curtain and rug.
Guys, IKEA has a perfect dinner Set up 2 water bottles, 2 bowls, Chex Mix. The view, like it's all just crazy. Ooh. Look at that house in there. Every setup is different. It's crazy. What's that? Yeah, probably. Like an iron. And then you just have the shoes right there. Like, that's how realistic it is outside of IKEA. Oh, like, they have everything. What?
I think that may be too big. We have a small one at home. So
Here. So put it back? I think we should put it back because it's just small at home.
Yeah, we do have a small one at home.
Okay, I can't mess up the aesthetic now. It's a shower thing. Let's call it a shower. Switch. Gala horse. Gala has. The Gala horse is a symbol of Swedish craftsmanship. It's a whole new setup down here. Fill your cart with conscious decisions.
Check out the extra that one.
What's it?
We left that one.
We took a different elevator.
That elevator was small too.
Here, look. I have to see how much this is. It smells like fresh wood. I don't know, $2.99 maybe? Oh yeah, $2.99. Sorry. Where are my IKEA gurus at? If you like IKEA this much.
Oh my God.
If you, are you gonna put it on?
There.
Guys, we found these bucket hats from IKEA. So we're twinning again.
All right, y'all.
Oh, it's huge in here. This is the biggest warehouse I've ever seen. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end out my video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. My phone is actually gonna die and I just want to give you guys an outro because that's just the right way to do it. So again, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all got your post notification bell turned on. And make sure y'all join the family if y'all not joined. By now, like I said before, we at 100 subscribers. I'm already knowing the way y'all be just treating me and loving everything. That's thirsty, but I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video.
You want to get that or not? No, the pizza cutter.